Welcome back to another physics problem. Today we're going to be doing a quick rotor ride question. This won't take long. Please make sure to subscribe, like, and yeah. So let's zoom into the question. A rotor ride has a radius 6 meters and rotates at a speed of 30 revolutions per minute. What is the minimum coefficient of static friction that will prevent people from sliding down when the floor drops out? This is our rotor ride, right? We have the weight pulling down, we have the static friction keeping it up, and if there was no normal force, this person would fly out like this. But there is a normal force, and this normal force is pushing this person towards the center. So this normal force can be considered a centripetal force. Now, this is the free body diagram, as I just mentioned. There is static friction keeping it up. There is a weight pulling it down, and there's a normal force keeping it intact towards the center, which is centripetal force. Now, since this is keeping it up and there is no acceleration in the y direction, we get this. The static friction is equivalent to the weight. Now, static friction is the coefficient of static friction times the normal force. In this case, the normal force is equal to the centripetal force. Centripetal force is mass times the centripetal acceleration, which is mv squared over r. Therefore, the static friction equals the coefficient of static friction times centripetal force, which equals mu s times mv squared over r, which we derive to be equal to mg. We cancel out the m's and we get mu s v squared over r equals mg, but we cancel out the m's, so it's just g. We derive then, since we're solving for mu s, we get radius times gravity over v squared is mu s. Let's remember this one. Now, we know that it has a speed of 30 revolutions per minute. 30 revolutions per minute times 1 minute over 60 seconds is the frequency. Frequency equals 1 over t. And in this case, it's 1/2. So t is equal to 2. Now, since t is equal to 2, we bring this equation down here. Let's solve for v, right? V equals 2 pi r over t. In this case, it's all going to be squared, right? So let's take mu s equals radius times g. Actually, let's add a division symbol here. Divided by 2 pi r over t squared. First, let's square it. This is going to be 4. The t is equal to 2. So these actually cancel out. So it's going to be pi squared r squared, right? Divided by rg, which is mu s, which therefore equals pi squared r squared. This r cancels out the r squared, and so is 9.8 over pi squared times the radius, which in this case was 6 meters. Plugging that all into our calculator, 9.8 divided by 3.14 squared times 6, which is 0.166 approximately. Thank you guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to like and subscribe, and see you guys next time.